Hello, my name is Mohammed. It is time for Researcher Jukan. In this program, we introduce the researchers all over the university. Today's researcher is Dr. Muhammad Rafiqul Islam from Sher-e Bangla Agricultural University. Nice to meet you. So, let's start the interview. First of all, could you tell me what kind of research do you mainly focus on?
Thank you, Muhammad. Well, in the research area, my attention is on IPM, Integrated Pest Management. Presently, I am working on Integrated Plant Disease Management, giving emphasis on biological control. I am looking for indigenous soil-borne antagonistic microorganisms like Trichoderma genum, Pythium nan, Pseudomonas fluorescens, Bacillus subtilis, etc. Those could be used as biological tools for controlling pathogenic microorganisms. Formulation of biopesticide using those antagonists is on priority.
Would you please say why do you confine to indigenous antagonists?
Nice, it's a very good question. Basically, there are huge research on antagonistic microorganisms for controlling plant pathogen in advanced countries. For example, Dr. Gary Herman has done a lot of works on Trichoderma species in USA, and his formulated products have been using commercially in USA. But my experience is that his products are not working as per his recommendation in our environment against our local pathogenic microorganism. This might be due to the impact of varied ecosystem. Thus, I am looking for the native sources of antagonists. Those could be effective in our agroecosystem.
Why do you focus on the research?
Actually, research on biological control of plant pathogen is nothing new. A lot of research in this area are presently going on in advanced countries like USA, Canada, Japan, and elsewhere in the world. Bangladesh is a developing country. We are basically far behind from the advanced technology. But surely we are strictly depending on chemical pesticide for controlling plant pathogen and insects. Indiscriminate use of chemical pesticide are creating huge environmental pollution and health hazards. The conscious people and also the advanced farmer are aware about that and are looking for eco-friendly products for substitution of chemical pesticide. But such products are not available. I am going with such assignment to develop biopesticidal products by using native sources of antagonists. In addition to that, my target is to use local agro-waste and local ingredients for formulation of biopesticide so that the products are low costly and affordable for our poor farmers.
How do you carry out the research?
Actually, during the pursuation of my PhD study, I involved in this research area. Of course, I have completed my PhD research on integrated plant disease management. I have gathered some basic knowledge on formulation of biopesticide while I was working in the microbiology lab in University of Massachusetts, USA, and IPM lab in Bangladesh Agricultural University. Very recent, I have joined my job and planning to carry out my pragmatic research in this area using my MS and PhD students. There are some provision to have the research fund from the university. Perhaps I would be patronized by the parent organization, or I will need to search fund from other national and international organizations.
What kind of experiment do you do?
Oh yes, actually I am in initial stage of my work. Recently I have assigned 2 of my MS students to collect and isolate the target organisms from each agroecological zones of Bangladesh. After that, they will go for screening the effective microorganism acting against pathogenic microorganisms.
What is your motivation towards the research?
Yes, I believe if I am able to achieve my objectives, it will be very good information in this area, particularly for our country, for our farmers. I am confident to achieve my objectives, so I should simply say researchers need to give due attention in that area of research, and the project need to patronize.
Nice. What makes you to do the research?
Well, actually, research are mandatory in our job responsibility. I am working on this area simply for my own interest and as well as for the national interest.
What kind of resources can you give to other researchers?
Oh yes, it's a nice question. As I mentioned earlier that biological control of plant pathogen through formulated bioagents is relatively a new approach in Bangladesh. If everything goes on successfully, it will generate knowledge, technology, and especially a protocol for developing low-costly biopesticides.
Is that all of your resources?
Basically, I am giving emphasis on the production of low-costly biopesticides by using low-costly ingredients like agrowars, etc. In advanced country, the price of formulated biopesticide is very costly. Thus, after completion of the work successfully, it would be a good information for the researcher of the advanced countries.
What kind of research are you going to plan in the future?
Well, my future plan is to work on suppressive nature of soil. How does it work and how can we improve the suppressive nature of soil inducing the antagonistic activity?
That's interesting. Would you please explain it more?
For sure. Actually, suppressive soil is a natural resource that are acting naturally against pathogenic microorganisms. My target is to locate the suppressive soil in farmers' field in different agroecological zones of Bangladesh. I will study with their suppressive composition and will try to induce the suppressive nature into the conducive soil by introducing antagonistic organisms or organic amendments for organic farming.
What kind of resources do you want to take from other researchers?
Oh yes, it's a relevant question. Basically, research is a teamwork. If the team members are well equipped with knowledge, technical know-how and proper funding, the research will certainly produce a result. I would like to invite those researchers interested in this area to keep in touch with me to cooperate for conducting the research successfully.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all. Thank you very much to give me the opportunity to focus on my research. Goodbye.
It is time to finish. Today's researcher was Dr. Rafiq. Thank you very much again. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.